integrate exponent x plus exponent negative 4x divided with exponent x with respect to x. So let us divide the numerator with the denominator, because in the denominator there's only one term, so it will be easier if we divide first. So exponent x divided with exponent x is 1. Exponent negative 4x divided with exponent x is exponent negative 5x. How do we get this exponent negative 5x? Is we are using these kind of rules of index: a to the power of m divided with a to the power of n, which is a to the power of m minus n. So if we have exponent negative 4x divided with exponent x, it is exponent negative 4x minus x. So this is how we get exponent negative 5x. So now we can already integrate. So integrate 1 with respect to x is x. Integrate exponent negative 5x with respect to x. We're going to use the rules for index, which is integrate exponent ax plus b with respect to x is exponent ax plus b, and we're going to divide with a. So for exponent negative 5x, we're going to get exponent negative 5x divided with negative 5. So I'm going to write down this negative here. It was supposed to be plus, but plus or positive times negative is negative. And don't forget to plus with the c. You may write down like this, or you may also write down like this if you want: x minus 1 over 5 exponent 5x plus with c. So how do we bring this down here? We are using this kind of rules, which is if you have a to the power of negative m, you may write down as 1 over a to the power of m. So that's why it become positive now.